Hey, math students. I had this problem sent in to me on Facebook from student Rupa. So let's take a look. It says the base of this pyramid is a right triangle with sides of 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. The pyramid has a height of 6 feet. Find its volume. So what are they asking us to do or to find? Well, they're asking us to find the volume. Find the volume of what? Well, that over there is a pyramid. A pyramid with a base of a right triangle. Guys, when they ask me to find volume, I know that I can always hit up the GED formula sheet. Almost all the geometry on the GED is on that lovely formula sheet. So let's go check it out. When I look at the GED formula sheet, about the third way down the page, there is a section that says surface area and volume of A. And right there, you'll see, second line down, right prism. This is a right prism. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me try again. I just had that wrong. That's not a prism, Kate. That's a pyramid. Fourth one down. Let's try again. Fourth line down. I see the formulas for a pyramid. Whew. I even boxed the word pyramid and I still messed up, you all. Okay, so if you look there, notice that there's two formulas. We don't want the one that says SA, that's surface area. We want the one that says volume. So it says V equals, volume equals 1/3 of the big B base. Now, definitely write down big B. It means something different for mathematicians than little b. So use that capital letter, H. Okay, so basically when you see the big B, the capital letters, in these geometry formulas, that is a signal that this is a two-step formula. Our first thing that we're going to want to do is find big B. So step one, I want to find big B. Now, big B we use to stand for the area of the base shape. That's what we're using big B to signify, area of base shape. So they told us a little bit about the base shape in this problem. Let's go back and look. It said the base of this pyramid is a right triangle with sides of 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. So our first step is supposed to be to find the area of that base shape, the area of that triangle. And here it is. We can see in our drawing, it's this triangle here with sides of 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. And don't miss the fact that they told us this was a right triangle, because that's going to come into play. Because when you find the area of a triangle, and if you look at the GED formula sheet, area is up in the top section. That's the first one. And if you look under area of a triangle, it says A equals 1/2 of base times height. The really nice thing is when I say base and height here, I'm talking about the base and height of the triangle, not the pyramid, just the triangle. And on a right triangle, the base and height are always the legs. So on a right triangle, the base and height are the legs. Those are the two sides that are around the right angle. Now you might say, how am I supposed to tell? There's no marking on this triangle to tell me which one's the right angle. Well, I know because the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right triangle, so 3, 4, 5, 5 is the longest one, is always directly across from the right angle. So this guy must be the right angle, which means my base and my height are my two legs around the right angle. They, let's pull out a different color so we can trace them, are going to be making that L shape around the right angle. So there they are. The base and height of my right triangle are 3 and 4. Let's go plug that into the area of a triangle formula. So the area is equal to 1/2 times 3 times 4. Now, you can pick up your GED calculator to do this. You would always have your GED calculator, but I'm too lazy. I'm just going to multiply in an order that suits me because I know I can multiply in any order I want. 3 times 4 is 12, and of course if I take half of that, that will give me 6. So the area of this base shape happens to be 6 square feet. Now that is the B, the big capital B that I need to deal with step 2. Now step 2 is to, after I found the area of the base shape, now go use that to find the volume of the pyramid. Okay, so let's plug into the volume of the pyramid formula. The volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base shape. Well, we just figured that out. That was 6 square feet. Times the height. Now careful, that's one of the tricky things about this formula. Now I'm not talking height of a triangle, now I'm talking height of the pyramid because I'm finding the volume of the pyramid. So height of a pyramid, let me grab a different color again, stretches from the tippy top of the pyramid down to the base at a right angle. So there's that 6-foot height of the pyramid. They did tell it to you in the reading as well. The height is 6 feet. So I'm going to plug that in for the height of my pyramid. And again, you could use your calculator if you don't know how to do this, but I'm pretty good at taking a third of something in my head. You know, if I want a third of 6, I'm just breaking 6 into 3 equal pieces. So that's 2. And then, of course, 2 times the remaining 6 gives me 12. That's a volume of 12. Now, 12, what? Volume is a cubic measurement, a 3-dimensional measurement. So that's going to be 12 cubic feet. All right. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them.